How did you break the cycle in your family? My 16-year-old son is a political junkie, and last night he brought up the economy again. He told me he doesn't think minimum wage will actually help. He knew I disagreed, but he said it anyway. I set my fork down and asked, "What makes you think that?" Soon, the kitchen table had broken out into a heated discussion. I zoned out halfway through and thought back to when I was 13. I made the mistake of asking my dad why Americans are allowed to have gums, so he took away the rest of my dinner and told me I could eat when I learned how to be a real man. Another time, I asked why we paid so much in taxes, and he slammed his beer down so hard the table shook. "Because of lazy people like you who don't deserve it," he said. I never brought up politics again, and as I watched my son speak, I realized I had done it. I had built a home where a kid can challenge his father and not be afraid. A home where my children know their voices matter. I may not have had that freedom as a kid, but my son does, and that means everything.